Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change taskbar size in Windows 11. Click search icon, type regedit in search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click and expand Advanced. Right-click New D-Word 32-bit value. Type taskbar SI, T and S are capital letters. Value 0 for small, value 1 for standard and 2 for extra large. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.